Welcome. Today we're diving into a simple yet fun feature on WhatsApp, reacting to messages with emojis. This feature lets you express your emotions quickly and effortlessly, adding a personal touch to your conversations. Whether it's a thumbs up, a heart, or a laughing face, emoji reactions make chats more engaging. Let's walk through the steps to use this feature. First, open the WhatsApp app on your phone. Make sure you're logged in and have updated the app to the latest version for the best experience. Once you're in, navigate to the chat where you want to react to a specific message. This could be in a one-on-one conversation or a group chat. Next, find the message you want to react to. Scroll through the chat until you locate it. Once you've identified the message, long press on it by holding your finger down for a moment. This action will bring up a small menu of emoji options right above the message. Now, it's time to choose your emoji reaction. You'll see several popular emojis like a thumbs up, heart, laughter, and more. Simply tap on the emoji that best represents your reaction. If none of these suit your mood, some versions of WhatsApp also let you tap a plus icon to select from an extended range of emojis. Once you've tapped your chosen emoji, it will instantly appear at the bottom of the message bubble. Both you and the sender will see this reaction displayed clearly. It's that easy. If you change your mind later, just repeat the process. Long press the message again and select another emoji. And there you have it. Reacting to messages with emojis is a quick and expressive way to communicate without typing anything. It's perfect for showing appreciation, agreement, or simply sharing a laugh with friends and family. Try it out today and make your chats more lively.